Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we will look at how we can implement CSS and JavaScript in WordPress with and without plugin. WordPress comes with several themes containing files and folders just like HTML. Some of these folders have JavaScript and CSS files for implementing suitable desired user interface. We can add more JavaScript and CSS files in these folders or add or change more CSS and JavaScript in already existing files to get the necessary result on the browser page of the website, just like in simple HTML website. If you find WordPress coding complex and difficult, you can install the necessary plugin for it to make your work easier. This is WordPress page where I'll be using custom HTML. I have named it as test page. As you can see here, I'll put the HTML content having the class tag as fan. After updating the page, we can see the content. Now we will give style sheet to the class attribute by easy method using plugin. Here I have used the plugin script and styles where so many features have been given. Here I will be using styles and then JavaScript. In the styles section, I have pasted the class attribute pointing towards class fan, as you can see. Updating the page and refreshing test page, we can see the changes. So it was easily done using this plugin. Here is how it was installed and it's already active. You can go through its details and try most of its features. Now you can see how the changes can be done using CSS file, which you can find in the current theme you are using under CSS folder. Here I am accessing files and folders using the file manager plugin. Here I am using the test.css file where I will place the style sheet for the content and same changes will show on the web page. And remove CSS from the plugin style. The style sheet can be accessed through function.php file given in the theme folder. Editing function file. Here you can see, moving the cursor below, you can see we are using the function myEnquiScripts, which link the template directory URL to the web page, which provide a short folder and files link. The files can be CSS or JavaScript. You can add any number of custom links or add more CSS or JavaScript in already given files. Function wp-enquStyle with add style sheet to the page. And 1.0.0 describes the version number of the style sheet to help browsers and caching mechanism determine if the style sheet has been updated, and can be incremented to force the browsers to load the updated file. All parameters specifies the media type for which the style sheet is intended. Here I am changing the already given style sheet name to test. As the style sheet was added in the test.css file. Here you can see the test file again and the style sheet has been removed from the plugin. We can see the same result and the style sheet is working. Next we will test with JavaScript with and without plugin. Here WP script is responsible for adding JavaScript to the page. Fan is the file name. Get template directory URI specifies the URL of the JavaScript file. Array allows you to specify any other scripts that this script depends on. In case of no dependencies, empty array is provided. Null is used to specify the version number of script. It is set to null, which means no version number is specified. If you have specific version number of your script, you can provide it as a string, for example 1.0.0. True is a boolean value which specifies whether the script should be loaded in the footer of the HTML page. When set to true, script will be loaded in the footer, which is typically used for non-critical scripts. Loading scripts in the footer can improve page load times because it allows the content of the page to load before the scripts are executed. If this parameter is set to false, the script will be loaded in the page's head section. Hope you found this video tutorial helpful and knowledgeable. Then do like, share, comment and subscribe.